Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a quick hair tutorial. So I've been trying to get my hands on this product for the last couple of months. So you may or may not have seen it already, but I'm going to be trying out the Sensational Instant Up and Down half wigs. So these have been like sold out everywhere since I've seen them back in like maybe February. So I finally found these on Amazon. I'm so excited to be trying them out. I paid $38.99 for each one. However, I just looked at the price again and the price keeps fluctuating, so you may be able to find it a little cheaper. So yeah, if you're not familiar, basically it's like an instant half up, half down. It comes with two pieces. It comes with a ponytail piece and like a half wig piece for the back, and you can wear it, you can do multiple styles with these. So you can do the half up, half down, or you can wear the back piece as just like a regular half wig, or you can just wear the ponytail as a regular ponytail. It comes in, I believe, 4 different textures: a straight texture, like a body wave, a wavy, and then the curly. I got the wavy and the curly, and so I got UD2, which is the wavy, in the color number 4. I could not find it in 1B. And then I got UD3, which is the curly. I got that in a number 2. I think I'm gonna try out UD2 first, which is the wavy. This hair is synthetic. However, it says that you can use up to 350 to 400 degrees on it. It also comes in quite a few different colors. So straight off the pack, the hair is a lot softer than I anticipated, considering this is synthetic hair. So this is the half wig portion. It has 2 clips at the top, 1 long clip at the bottom, and then here is the ponytail portion. It's like the wrap style ponytail. It's not drawstring, it's the wrap style. It has 1 comb, then it also has a band for you to wrap around the base of your wig. So I already have my hair molded down, so let's try this on. So when I tried this on, I didn't realize there was a drawstring in the back, so it's gonna look a little big, and it felt a little big initially, but when I tried on the second one, I realized that it was a drawstring. So you can adjust these to fit on the back of your head, you know, for whatever adjustments that you need. So here is the first one. It's pretty simple to work. In general, I don't really prefer the wrap ponytails because I feel like they aren't as secure as the drawstring ponytail. I got it to work. So here is the UD2. Only downside to this is that it's in the color number 4, and you can definitely tell the difference between my natural hair and the fake hair. Like, my natural hair is a lot darker. I can definitely go in with like some colored hairspray and probably just spray this area so that it blends more. So I'll probably have to do that when I wear this unit, but it's cute. But for the most part, I mean, it does the job. It's real simple, straight to the point. It took me less than 5 minutes to plot this on my head. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to prep my hair, and then the installation portion literally takes 5 minutes to pop on. Alright, so now I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to show you guys the curly. Alright, you guys, so here is UD3, which is the curly texture, and this is in the color number 2, so it definitely matches my natural hair more than the other one. The drawstring makes such a difference. Like, oh, this one feels a lot better now that I pulled this thing. All right, so here is the UD3. This one was a little more work to get on just because, like, as I was wrapping the ponytail, hair just kept getting in the way. But yeah, she's cute, but this is a lot of hair. Yeah, this is hot, not gonna lie, this is really hot. But yeah, it's really big, a lot fuller than the other one. She's definitely texture friendly. Like when I did my mold, I didn't really use any product. I just moisturized my hair, brushed it up, and then I mainly just put edge control on my edges. I didn't really put any gel or anything to lay my ponytail, but it's just hot. I definitely see myself wearing this one more in two parts, either just wearing the ponytail for a ponytail look or wearing the half wig as just like a regular half wig. Them together, like I said, it's just a lot of hair, but it's still cute. So after sitting in the house in this for a minute, I decided to go ahead and cut it, and I cut it about shoulder length, a little past my shoulder, and I think it looks so much better and it's not as hot when it's this length. So yeah, that is gonna be pretty much it. I definitely give them a 9 out of 10. They serve their purpose. They're quick, easy, fun hairstyles. I really don't have any complaints. The UD2 was definitely my favorite out of the two. The hair is more lightweight, it's not as hot. The only downside, which is my fault mainly, is that it's just not the right color. So if it's the right color, I would definitely have that one on right now. UD3 is cute. I like this one. It's just really hot, but she is texture friendly, so I do like that about it. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys have tried this Sensational instant half up half down little kit. Also specifically, if you try one of the straight or like the body wave texture, let me know how it worked for you and how it blended with your natural hair. A part of me kind of wants to just go ahead and order one of the straighter textures, but I don't know. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.